We are going to study about the world geography. So this is going to be a world geography series. So first thing first, while studying this world geography series, we are going to study this by using lot of maps. So while studying this lecture, you should have a map or an atlas with you, and the atlas may be a Black Swan atlas or the Oxford atlas, whatever it is, either of them you should have with you, and you should keep on marking whatever I am teaching you in this lecture. Okay, so this is the world geography series. So first in this lesson we are going to study about the continents. So let's see how many continents are there in this globe, in this world. Okay, so we have 7 continents. So first is the Asia, then this is Africa, then Europe, then North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So in this way we have 7 continents. Okay, so these are the 7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Now let's see their position on the globe. So if you see, the first and the biggest continent of the world is the Asia. So this is the Asia, and there is the border between Asia and Europe. So this is Europe. Now the border between Asia and Europe is this, and mainly this is divided, the Asia and Europe are divided by the Ural Mountains. Okay, so this is the border between Asia and Europe. Now the second continent is Africa. Third, sorry, not second. Okay, so this is the third continent, this is Africa. Now this is North America, and here in the south this is South America, and here you will find Australia. Okay, and in the south you will find the 7th and the last continent, and which is covered all the time, it is covered by the ice, and this is Antarctica. That is actually the South Pole. Okay, so this is the South Pole and this is the Antarctica. Okay, now let's see how many oceans are there around the continents. So first you will find here is the Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean, here is the Pacific Ocean, this is the North Pacific Ocean, North Pacific, and in the south you will find this South Pacific. Okay, on the west side of the America. Then here this is the Atlantic Ocean, this is the North Atlantic, and here this is the South Atlantic, in between Africa and America. This is the Indian Ocean, a very famous Indian Ocean, which is famous for the trade, very busy route. Okay, then here also you will find the Pacific Ocean. Why? Because Earth is round, and this Pacific Ocean and this Pacific Ocean are the same one. So yes, this is also the South Pacific Ocean. Okay, and now in the south you will find this Southern Ocean, Southern Ocean, and in the north you will find this Arctic Ocean. Okay, so these are the major oceans of the world, and this is the location of the major oceans. Okay, North Atlantic, South Atlantic, North Pacific, South Pacific, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Okay, so these are the important oceans of the world. Okay, now let's see which are the important seas and the water bodies around the small water bodies around the continent. So first, if you see here, this is the Bering Sea. Okay, and then if you see this one, this is the Sea of Okhotsk. This is Sea of Japan. And here you will find this is the sea, East China Sea, and this one is the very famous and controversial South China Sea. This is the Sea of Philippines. And here this is Bay of Bengal. This is Arabian Sea. Okay. Here you will find Gulf of Oman, and this is the Persian Gulf. Okay. Here you will find Gulf of Aden. Gulf of Aden, very famous. This is strategically important and very important for the trade. This is the Red Sea. And here you will find the Mediterranean Sea. So simultaneously keep on marking in your atlas also, so that you have this ready handy material for the revision before exam. Okay, so this is Caspian Sea, and here this is Black Sea, and if you see this is this area is Mozambique Channel. So find the Mozambique Channel in your atlas and mark it down. Okay, then this is the Hudson Bay. Okay, this is Gulf of Mexico. Gulf of Mexico. Here this is Caribbean Sea. Okay, this is Gulf of Alaska. Okay, here you will find this is the North Sea. Here you will find this is the small and important Baltic Sea. Okay, so and here you will find this is the Barents Sea. So these are the important seas of the world which you should remember. Okay, so now let's see which are the important mountain ranges of the world. So if we start from North America, here you will find the Rocky Mountains. So here this is Rocky Mountains. In the south, the western side, this is you will find the Andes. Okay, so this is the Rocky Mountain range. In south, this is the Andes, and here you will find the small Atacama Desert. This is the driest desert of the world. Okay, very high temperature. Then if you come here, this area, you will find the Himalayan range. And here you will find the Hindu Kush. Then about the deserts, here you will find the Sahara Desert in Africa. And in the south you will find the Kalahari Desert. Kalahari Desert. Okay, then in China and Mongolia, in this area, combine China and Mongolia, you will find the Gobi Desert. Try to find the Gobi Desert in your atlas. Okay, and in Australia also there are like 6 important deserts. We are going to study these deserts when we study the Australian map. Okay, and if you see this area, so this area is Greenland. Okay, now all of you know that the highest mountain range, the highest mountain peak in the world is Everest. It is in the Himalayan range, okay, in Nepal. And the deepest trench of the world, you will find it in the Pacific Ocean, and that is Mariana Trench. It is in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, it is the deepest trench in the world. So the highest point is Everest of the world, and the lowest point, the deepest point of the world, is Mariana Trench. Okay, so this is all about the continents, and in our next lesson we will start with the North America. So till then,